Hello! If you found this section of our digital learning page, you are on a roll. So if you look at the message section of Language Arts, semester 2, you'll see where I put a picture up and it says day 1 and then it'll say opening. Your opening in the mornings is going to be usually you going to the homeroom page and watching the daily video. Hi, don't bite my shirt. And watching the daily video. And that's just going to get you refreshed and ready for the day. Usually we do language arts first in class, so let's just keep it like that. Our mini lesson today is going to be watching this language arts video. I'm going to show you how to use your ReadWorks page, and then your work period, you're going to be reading and you also have a read aloud on there, so I'll go through that on ReadWorks. But you'll be reading, and then your closing, you'll be answering some questions and submitting them through ReadWorks. So how this all works, what I want you guys to do is to open a tab, and which means you're just clicking another tab up top on your internet page, and you're going to be going to read www.read works WORKS.org, and then you're going to put a slash, and then you're going to put students, STUDENT, student. When you do that, you'll get to a little like login page, and it'll say class code. So you're going to type in your class code, and your class code is ASFNDQ. Okay, and I'll put this all up there for you guys today. And then you're going to click submit or enter, and you find your name. So everybody's name, your first name should all be there. Just scroll down, find your name, click on your name, and our password is just 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So the password is 1, 2, 3, 4. When you do that, today, when you get into ReadWorks, you're going to find your assignments. You click assignments, and you should find where it says, do you bully? Do you bully? Do you bully is our first assignment of today. You're going to click on it. I'm so sorry, my dog is just going crazy. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to read the passage. There should be what looks like a little mic with sound waves coming out of it. You should be able to click that and have a read aloud. Please let me know if that doesn't work, but you should be able to have a read aloud on the actual paragraph and the questions as well. So once you finish reading, you'll click the question sets and you'll answer all the questions. Some of them are multiple choice and some of them are short answer. Please do your best. And then you'll click submit when you're finished, and I'll be able to see automatically what you do. We're going to be doing this every day probably until the end of the school year. This just gets us really into practicing our reading skills and practicing answering questions. This week I kind of wanted to focus on us being able to find the central idea of a story, because that's something we've been working on in class. So like I said, go to www.readworks.com or .org, sorry, www.readworks.org/student, and type in the student code. After you type in the student code, find your name. After you find your name, type in the password is 1, 2, 3, 4, and find for today, do you bully is our first reading passage. Do you bully? Okay? And only complete that one for today. Tomorrow we'll do another one and do the reading with the read aloud and answer some questions, okay? So please let me know if you have any more questions or concerns with figuring out ReadWorks.